Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create perfume spray effect in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and open New Image. Then go to the Layer panel and create a new 2 layer. And select the brush tool from the toolbar. Right click and make hardness 0. Opacity 100. Flow 100. Also make sure foreground color white. And create a white effect. Change blending mode. Normal to dissolve. Press Ctrl key. Select layer. Press Ctrl E layer merge. Press Ctrl T right to click and select perspective. And adjust the effect. I do this. Select rectangular tool and selection this. Press delete and Ctrl D deselect and adjust the effect. Then go to the filter menu and click on the blur to motion blur. Angle 7 and distance 10. How we make a perfume spray effect in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.